Hi guys, today I'll be doing a video showing you how to wall mount your Xbox Series S. So I've been looking out for a wall mount for a while now and I came across this on Amazon. Seemed like quite a good product as it's quite versatile. So you can place it either vertically or horizontally, or you could mount it underneath a desk, for example. So for my scenario, I'm in my living room and I've got my TV set up over here with console hidden in the drawer there. Now, one of the issues with that is if you've got it in a drawer and the drawer's closed, the area is going to heat up. I didn't want to place it in display over here. I want it hidden away. So the best alternative for me is to get it mounted behind the TV here. And just to show the console, it's in the top shelf over here. My wall mounted TV is an LG C9 55-inch. And quite interesting how these TVs are. So they're very thin, the panels on here. But when you go lower down, there's a larger area, obviously containing the main components for the TV and speakers, etc. But you have a large gap in here. So this works out quite well for wall mounting the console. So let's begin by opening up the packaging and see what you get in there. You get some fixtures, so 4 raw plugs and 4 screws, and just the mount. So build-wise, it's of strong plastic. You've got the 4 locations where you'd put in the screws, and there's vented areas at the top and bottom here. Taking my Xbox Series S just to show how it sits into the bracket, so you don't slot it in from the top or the bottom area there. You literally just push it into position. And there you go, it locks into place. And you can see how the arms hold it in. It's just clipped in nicely. And to remove it, obviously you've got to pull the arms apart and then take the console out. So quite good how the build is of this. And looking underneath, this is what gives the flexibility. So you can table mount it, so underneath a table, horizontally or vertically mounted as well. And just showing the size, you can see the holes don't restrict airflow here or here. So really pleased with this. Now placing the console and bracket behind the TV, you can see it fits in perfectly with ample space on there. So I'm going to place it in this position with the wires being plugged in at the bottom. So before I remove the TV, I'll just mark up where the bracket's going to go. That way I've got enough space to place the Xbox into position and then wall mount the TV again. If it's too low, I won't be able to place it directly onto the wall mount bracket over here. So I'll keep it slightly higher and I'll use a spirit level to ensure it's level. I've removed the TV from the wall now, and you can see the positioning where the mount for the Xbox is going to go. I've already marked the correct positions in there. I lightly went in with a pencil just to give me an idea of what height to go in initially, and I can go in, draw the circles in properly with the spirit level in place, and now I'm ready just to drill in there. As an idea, worth getting an envelope and just taping it underneath where you're going to drill the hole. That way it will catch all the dust that comes out when you drill the hole. So let's get these 4 holes drilled. I've drilled the 4 holes, I've put in the raw plugs as well, and all the dust generated has been caught in the envelope. Let me attach the mount now. And there you go, firmly mounted on the wall now. Taking the console now, I can just clip it into position. There you go. Cables are connected now, so we're ready just to mount the TV back onto the wall. We have it. Xbox is on now, TV's on, and coming around the back, there you have it. Mount's worked out perfectly, and you can see for yourself, I can reach the pairing button, USB connection point, and even the Xbox button here. So ideal for me and perfect to go with the panel, as a thinner area at the top gives a nice area to place it in and gives ample ventilation for the Xbox. So there you go, hope it's helped anyone looking to get hold of an Xbox Series S mount. Details for this product are in the description below, including purchasing links. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.